Hi, in this video I will show you how to factory reset the Google Chromecast using a Google Home app. It's very easy. First thing you need to do is to open the Google Home app. Then you need to go to the Chromecast, settings. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and there you have the factory reset option. Click factory reset, and now the Chromecast will be resetted. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.